Bee Patrol, the Pollinator game. Ever wondered what it's like to run a beehive? The bee game drops you right in the middle of the action. No bee suit required. Team up with your friends, grab your 3D magnetic bee on a stick, and race against the clock to pollinate crops and outsmart the other team. This isn't just another board game. It's a hands-on, brains-on adventure blending math, coordination, dexterity, some trivia, and a little bit of chaos. How does it work? Simple. 2 teams, 4 players, and a garden full of fruits and veggies waiting for some pollination magic. Each round, you draw 5 cards. Maybe you're working the strawberry patch. Maybe you've got a shot at the apple orchard. Every crop has its own pollen value, and each season gives you a new multiplier to rack up that honey. Spring? Multiply by 20. Summer? Go big with 30. Fall? Time to get strategic. But it's not just about speed. You'll need to calculate totals, maximize your pollen haul, and adapt when wild cards, colony collapse, or a dreaded early frost shake up your plans. Did your team fail to pollinate your hand? That's a 50-point loss. Ouch. Every season, the timer starts. 60 seconds to swoop your magnetic bee over the board. Snag as much pollen as you can, and drop it into your hive before time runs out. Collect, count, multiply, and strategize. The team with the most honey at the end wins the sweet taste of victory. What makes the Bee Patrol game special? It's not just a race. It's real-life math, teamwork, and a lesson in the delicate dance of nature. Your students will use their heads and their hands, learning why bees matter to our food, our economy, and the whole ecosystem. Ready to turn your classroom or family game night into a buzzing, math-powered adventure? Bee Patrol is waiting. Grab your bee pole and get pollinated.